Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 11 latest defense updates. Number 1, India's first unmanned aerial system, that is drone testing center, to be established in Tamilnadu. In a significant move towards bolstering India's aerospace and defense capabilities, Tamil Nadu is set to establish the country's first unmanned aerial system common testing center under the Defense Testing Infrastructure Scheme. The pioneering initiative is expected to contribute significantly to India's self-reliance in the aerospace and defense sector. Next, clearance of rupees 20,000 crore Navy projects to be built by Hindustan Shipyard. In a major boost for the Indian Navy, the Centre on Wednesday gave final clearance to a project to build 5-feet support ships for the maritime force, which will help it replenish its warship with fuel, food and ammunition. Next, Chandrayaan 3 landing module to detach. ISRO achieved another significant milestone in its Chandrayaan 3 mission as it completed a crucial lunar-bound maneuver. The maneuver successfully guided Chandrayaan 3 into a precise orbit of 153 km into 163 km, setting the stage for the separation of the landing module, which consists of the Vikram lander and Pragyan rover, from the propulsion module. This achievement brings the mission one step closer to its ultimate goal, landing on the lunar surface. Next, renowned scientist and former DRDO chief V.S. Arunachalam passes away. The scientific community mourns the loss of V.S. Arunachalam, an eminent scientist and former head of the DRDO, who played a pivotal role in advancing India's nuclear capabilities and transforming the DRDO into a multi-mission organization. Arunachalam, aged 87, passed away in the United States, where he had been residing and contributing to academia. Next, BRICS nation to meet in South Africa, seeking to blunt Western dominance. BRICS leaders meet in South Africa next week to discuss how to turn a loose club of nations accounting for a quarter of the global economy into a geopolitical force that can change the West dominance in world's affair. Russian President Vladimir Putin, who faces an international arrest warrant over alleged war crimes in Ukraine, will not join leaders from Brazil, India, China and South Africa amid rifts over whether to expand the bloc to include dozens of global South nations queuing up to join. Next, Maoist affected villages in Bastar celebrate first Independence Day with tricolor. In a remarkable display of progress and resilience, 8 Maoist affected villages in Bastar division of Chhattisgarh celebrated Independence Day on August 15 by hosting the Indian national flag for the very first time. These villages, which were once marked by the presence of black or red flags symbolizing the influence of Communist Party of India, have now embraced the tricolor as a symbol of hope and freedom. Next, strong bipartisan support from U.S. Congress. Strong bipartisan support from the U.S. Congress is instrumental in further elevating India-U.S. comprehensive global strategic partnership, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said on Wednesday after a congressional delegation from America called on him. Next, SAIL supplies 4,000 tons of special steel for Indigenous warship Vindhyagiri. Steel Authority of India, that is SAIL Limited, SAIL, supplied the entire 4,000 tons of special steel for India's indigenous 6th Frigate ship Vindhyagiri. Officials said on Wednesday the ship is a part of Project P-17A initiative undertaken by the Indian Navy and is being constructed by Messrs. Garden Reed Shipbuilders and Engineers Limited. Next. European giants eye $4.8 billion opportunity in Indian submarine deal. As geopolitical tensions continue to shape the dynamics of the Indo-Pacific region, India is taking significant strides to enhance its naval capabilities in a move to bolster its maritime strength and counter China's expanding naval presence. India is currently evaluating bids from two European defense manufacturing giants for a lucrative contract worth 40,000 crore, that is 4.8 billion, to build submarines on Indian soil. Next. HC refuses relief to 27-year-old aerospace engineer who leaked the data of LCA Tejas. The High Court of Karnataka has underscored the alarming rise in instances of theft of classified defense data and its subsequent sale on the dark web, emphasizing the urgent need for stringent measures to address this growing concern. In a recent ruling, the court refused to quash a criminal case filed against an aerospace engineer accused of stealing sensitive data related to the LCA program and covertly selling it on the dark web. Next. IISc develops Indigenous drone Autopilot system. The rapid proliferation of drone technology across diverse sectors such as industry, agriculture, logistics and defense has highlighted the pressing need of indigenous avionics system. In a significant stride towards reducing reliance on foreign drone technology, the Indian Institute of Science, that is IISc, has achieved a remarkable breakthrough in the realm of unmanned aerial systems. Thank you.